Which of the following titles best summarizes the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph offers examples showing that different cultures adopt different war strategies, and the second paragraph talks about the Western way of war and its reliance on technology, and then the third paragraph talks about how the West has been extraordinarily receptive to new technology. So it can be inferred that overall the passage talks about different cultures adopting different ways of war and then gives an example of the Western culture in the later half of the passage. So we need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, warfare of the West and the East, similarities and differences. The passage has several references to the Western weaponry and the archers of the East, etc. However, the passage doesn't present the similarities and differences between the two warfares. So this answer choice cannot be the best title for the passage. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice B, how societies develop warfare, a case study of the Western way of war. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the first paragraph talks about different cultures adopting different warfares, and the second and the third paragraph talk about the Western way of war, such as its reliance on superior technology and being receptive to new technology. So this answer choice correctly captures the main thought in the passage. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, history of technological prowess in Western warfare. The second paragraph talks about the West relying on superior technology, and the third paragraph talks about the West being particularly receptive to new technology. But these references to the technological prowess in the Western warfare are limited to the second and the third paragraphs. So this answer choice is limited in scope and does not represent the passage as a whole. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice D, technological innovation in the modern Western warfare. The second paragraph refers to the reliance of Western warfare on superior technology, and the third paragraph talks about the West being receptive to new technology, but the passage doesn't talk about modern Western warfare in particular. Also, the references to technological innovation are limited to the second and the third paragraphs and do not represent the contents of the passage as a whole. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice E, ritualized conflict in the Western warfare. The first paragraph has a reference to the ritualized conflict, but this reference is not in the context of the Western warfare. So this answer choice does not correctly represent the contents of the passage. Let's eliminate it. B is the correct answer choice.